We have information from our sources on Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's arrest in Delhi excise policy scam. Our sources tell us that Arvind Kejriwal and BRS leader K. Kavita have not yet been interrogated face-to-face. K. Kavita has also been arrested by the ED in the Delhi excise policy case, and ED has alleged that she has paid rupees 100 crores to AAP leaders. So, our sources also tell us that today's inquiry may be important in the case related to the excise liquor policy scam. On the other hand, the Aam Aadmi Party workers are staging protests in Delhi over the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. AAP workers are protesting at the ITO footbridge, where police personnel have also reached to bring the situation under control. The party workers have also declared their plans to organize a candlelight march and burn effigies throughout Delhi to protest against the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, to give us more on this, my colleague Shubh Rana joins us on the broadcast. Shubh, source-based information pouring in at this point of time. Arvind Kejriwal and BRS leader K. Kavita have not yet been interrogated face-to-face. What further details can you share with our viewers?
Yes, of course. Right now, although they are not being interrogated, but anytime soon they can be interrogated, because Arvind Kejriwal has been in ED custody till March 28th. Although he have appeared to High Court so that he can get out from ED custody, but High Court have denied him the access. And you know, following this, Atishi have also did a press conference today in the morning where she has said that Arvind Kejriwal is such a helpful chief minister that he is even looking after Delhi's people, because now Atishi has said that Arvind Kejriwal have issued a notice regarding the Jal Mantralaya, where he has said that no Delhi Heights should suffer from water shortage, due to which Arvind Kejriwal is releasing a notice. And you know, following the protest, the Aam Aadmi Party can be seen in full action mode, because Aam Aadmi Party, there have been big names when it comes to Atishi. Saurabh Bhardwaj, they have said that they will do the protest till the date when Arvind Kejriwal will remain in ED custody, because they believe that the ED custody is illegal, because it is done before Lok Sabha elections, and they are questioning the timing of Lok Sabha elections, due to which Aam Aadmi Party today have planned a protest. And you know, in this protest, they are planning to protest against the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Atishi have clearly stated that CBI and ED are two goons of BJP, following which the Bharatiya Janata Party is currently doing a protest at Rajiv Chowk, due to which this protest is happening. And you know, the BJP President Virendra Sachdeva, followed by Kapil Mishra, have been there and they are protesting at Connaught Place, and they are demanding Arvind Kejriwal's resignation. And you know, this is what is happening in Delhi right now. And you know, this looks like Aam Aadmi Party protest versus BJP protest, and whose scores will be bigger, because the national capital Delhi is full of protest right now. Yes, back to you.
All right. In fact, you know, my colleague Shubh Rana has filed an exclusive ground report. Let's take a look.
केजरीवाल जी के पास नैतिकता नाम की कोई चीज नहीं रहा। जो अन्ना हजारे के नेतृत्व में ढाल बना करके नैतिकता की बात करते थे, अब कहते हैं कि कानून में कहीं नहीं लिखा है कि जेल से सरकार नहीं चला सकते। हमारे बाबा अंबेडकर साहब क्या सोचे थे? ऐसे नैतिकहीन लोग मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे जो जेल जाएंगे? छी 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 छी। कम से कम अपने उनके पड़ौधा तो लालू जी है, लालू जी से सीख लें। वो भी जेल जाने लगे तो पत्नी को बना दिया, आप भी पत्नी को बना दीजिए।
तो आपके दिमाग में एक कहानी आएगी, जिस कहानी का टाइटल होगा एक सफर स्वराज से शराब तक। एक सफर शुरू हुआ जो बात तो कर रहा था स्वराज का, लेकिन खत्म हो गया है शराब पर। बच्चों को शराब पिलाने की जिद पर, गली गली शराब की दुकान खोलने की जिद पर, और उसके अंदर एक बहुत बड़ा स्कैम, शराब घोटाला। अरविंद केजरीवाल ने ठान लिया है कि ना तो हम कानून का पालन करेंगे और ना तो किसी को कानून का पालन करने की प्रेरणा देंगे, भले संविधान की शपथ।
दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट ने तुरंत सुनवाई पे मना कर दिया है, किसी प्रकार का स्टे नहीं लगाया, किसी प्रकार से सुनवाई नहीं हुई। ये दिखाता है कि बार बार जो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के अंदर एक सेंस ऑफ एंटाइटलमेंट है कि मैं भ्रष्टाचार भी करूंगा और मैं कानून का सामना नहीं करूंगा, इसका पर्दाफाश हुआ है। शुरू से ही एक ही बहाना अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने बनाया है, ये जो समन्स आ रहे थे ये इलीगल है और मेरे ऊपर किसी प्रकार से कोएर्सिव एक्शन अर्थात अरेस्ट इत्यादि नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि मैं पाक साफ हूं। किंतु हिंदुस्तान के जो कानून है, जब कानून के सामने जाके अरविंद केजरीवाल खड़े होते हैं तो ठीक उसका विपरीत होता है। कागजात देखने के पश्चात, सबूतों को देखने के पश्चात कानून का हर पक्ष, चाहे वो लोअर कोर्ट हो चाहे वो हायर कोर्ट हो, सभी का ये मानना है कि जो हुआ है वो न्यायोचित हुआ है।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.